welcome to TCM Education. Let's discuss briefly what's behind the logic of the focus watch list. So the logic is we want to trim down this impossible number, which is 1900 stocks and above that are trading in the US equity markets more than 1 million shares. Obviously, as a day trader, one person cannot deal with 10 shares, we cannot deal with 1900 shares. So we need to trim down this to a list that is manageable on one hand and carries the most important stocks for us as day traders, meaning the stocks that have the biggest intraday range. So this is the list that I've compiled. It's called the daily power list. And in this case, you can clearly see that it incorporates only 17 stocks. Now, the focus about this list is obviously liquidity. We want a lot of liquidity. So the minimum in order to get into this list, 5 million shares. You can see this number, 5 million. It can be after 1 minute or after 6 hours, but 5 million at least. Then the intraday range must be 10% or more. Why is it important, or why is it the most important part of the equation? Because we want stocks that we can make money trading it intraday, because as a day trader we close the position at 3:55 p.m. and now if the stock is moving between 100 and 140 cents, we're not going to make money. But if it moves between 100 and $107, we can make money. So the idea here is we want to take a look at stocks, okay, not necessarily trade, but basically face stocks that are intraday range is at least 10% of the price. So if the stock price is $50, it needs to move $5 up or down to be in this list. And of course, we don't want to deal with micro caps or small caps. We want obviously the institutional players to be alongside us, and so this is another prerequisite: stocks above $10 or more. So again, let's recap. Volume needs to be above 5 million shares. The intraday trading range that I just explained, more than 10%, and the price range, in this case, $10. And again, 17, we need to trim this list down, but at least 17 is a manageable number.